Hola! Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a little renovation to your kitchen counters by using contact paper. You're not going to need a lot of tools. You're only going to need scissors and a box cutter. So keep watching! Here's the before picture of how my kitchen looked. As you see, the countertops were really dark and it didn't really go with the backsplash that it had by the sink. And this is how they turned out. So the first thing you want to do is measure your countertops and see how much contact paper you're going to need. I'm going to leave the link below of the ones that I got from Home Depot and also the knobs I got from there. So I only needed 2 rolls. The next step is cleaning all your countertops. You could use any cleaner you want. Just make sure that all the grease is out, everything is spotless, so we could start. So once your countertops are clean, you want to cut your contact paper to a smaller piece that you could work with. I went ahead and just did the whole counter, but if you have to do it like piece by piece, you could, but you're gonna have like little hairlines in between. If you don't mind that, it's okay, but I did mind it for some reason, so I just wanted to get the whole thing at once. So the next thing you want to do is just peel back a little bit of the back film that comes with the contact paper and start pressing it into the countertop. And I just noticed that I forgot to tell you guys that you're also gonna need a card. A rookie mistake. You're gonna need a card to press the contact paper down and get rid of all the bubbles. So this is another view from the other side. I think this one is a better look at it. So you see I'm using the card to press down or glue down the contact paper and also get rid of all those bubbles. So you pretty much, that's all you're gonna want to do. Press, get rid of all the bubbles. And in my case, I think I would have just cut it into 2 pieces because this was a long piece to work with. I really had to be really patient with it. So what I did is just I started listening to music, and I ended up also listening to a podcast. And that made the time go faster, believe it or not. So you see, I'm here almost done with it. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is just the details that you're going to do, because this is just one whole piece, but we still have those little pieces against the wall and also to the side. So once you have it wrapped around the corner, you want to make like a little cut in the corner, kind of like when you're like wrapping Christmas gifts, and then just cut extra, like excess contact paper that you have. The next thing you want to do is just do the backdrops, like in my case I had on this side. You just measure them, cut them, and this is how they looked. This one is actually the easiest, I want to say. I also changed all the knobs because I had this white yellowish knobs, so I'm using the satin nickel knobs, which I think go really pretty with the marble gray contact paper. What do you guys think? Okay, so now moving on, we're gonna move to the other side of the sink, and this part is gonna be much easier because it's smaller and it's gonna be like smaller pieces, so it's gonna be much more easier to work with. What you want to do is kind of leave extra paper over the sink, over the metal sink, like so, like you see here, because that's gonna help us cut those edges. Okay, so in this part right here, you see how I'm like just using the plastic card to press the contact paper down. And you'll see right here also what I meant with leaving extra contact paper over the sink, because once you press it down and you use the box cutter or any blade you have, it's gonna come out really smoothly. And don't be afraid to also use your hands to press down the contact paper. As you see here in the corners, I'm using my hands, just press it down, because by using the force, then the contact paper also sticks better into the surface. And using that box cutter for those edges around the sink is crucial, because if you were to use scissors, it will come out so crooked, because I did try it on one of the sides just to see, but I had to take it off and just throw it away. And ta-da! You see, it just comes right off. So yes, definitely make sure you use that box cutter. So in here, I'm almost done. This is the last piece I did, and this was against the backsplash. And what do you guys think? I think it looks really pretty with the blue. Let me know below if you think it matches or not. And just like we did around the sink, we're gonna do the same thing against the wall to get rid of that extra contact paper we have, because if you see, it doesn't look pretty. So use that box cutter and it will come out super smoothly. That's pretty much it, guys. We are done. What do you guys think? I think they came out super cute. They now go really pretty with the backsplash. And also the satin nickel nubs are matching so cute as well. And if you're wondering what those belts are that I have under the cabinet, like on the doors, those are just some baby proofing, because I do have a 2-year-old girl. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below. I would love to read your feedback, because this is my first post ever. And I hope you guys are having a good day. Till next time, adios.